na. Humingi na slot. Hindi ba na? Dito daw. We're excited to show our room. Thank you for caring for me, Kuya. What, Kuya? Oh, so sweet. Caring for Mama. Mama won't fall. Sabi, said kailangan ng kumita at masubukan. That's good. Okay. You have your own plunge pool. Tapos area. Kuya, you like it? So nice, oh. And then look at the view. Oh. Not as pretty as my mom. Oh, the mountain. Oh. Narinig niyo yun, sabi niya, the view is not as pretty as my mom. Nice. Like this, Kuya. Super nice. So let's tour pa around and see what else is here. Lie down there, both of you, and I'll tour around. You like? Sarap, Kuya. Ready na ako ngayon. Nadala na akong bathing suit. Hindi na ako papagaling-galing kay Kai. Yes, I'm bathing suit. I'm ready. Okay. It's our room. Wow. Matutuwa sila sa akin. Off ng aircon. Oh. Ganda ng pagka-decorate. At ang bango. Yeah.
What do you prefer, Miss Chris? Lavender or lemongrass?
Lavender.
Lavender.
Yeah, wow! Then look at it. So, nakahiwalay.
Yes. This is the shower area.
This is where the toilet is. Okay. Bathtub. Tapos, you can watch if you like. And then there's a shower. Tapos, you have 2 sinks.
Then you have the
And yung sabi ko,
Dyson.
yung social na blower meron sila. Yay! Saya.
I'll show you the guest room.
I mean, guest room. Okay. Oh, wait. We have a guest room. Oh. Bingkai and Alvin will be here. You and me and Quinn.
Joshua with Pinkay.
You don't like to be with us? We've been so happy. How many nights have we been together and happy? Yeah, see? Oh, happy ka with us, diba? Let's make ikot. Ganda. And there's a day bed pa.
Yes, po. There's a day bed.
Patayin natin aircon. So there are 2 rooms,
Yes, there's 2
actually.
rooms. Yes. The total that area is 252 square meters.
Wow. Tapos, let's see what's there. The other bathroom. Bathroom number 2.
There's also another tub here.
Wow.
There's also a
Nice.
shower.
Ba't parang mas maganda yung shape ng tub na to? Kasi parang mas yung isa parang scary. Parang mababagok ka doon. Ito mas maganda yung tub. Ganda. How long did it take para makonstruct ito lahat?
Well, actually, the construction started around 2014.
Ang tagal?
Then we opened 2018.
So
Last
four-
quarter of 2014.
So almost 4 years?
Yes.
Grabe. 4 years para matapos ito. Oh. Ang ganda ng carpet. Parang you feel like ginaya, no? Kung ano yung sa seat.
Yes.
Ay, bingkay tinan mo yung shot from here. When you're looking out, yung view mo. Oh, so nice. Nice, Kuya. Super. Mama is the ideal guest. Hindi na guest. So nice. And this is only one.
This is the only grand signature suite that we have.
Pero
This is
dito
the
sa wing na to, ilan?
For the signature suites, we have
Yes,
total of 11.
So signature suites are 11. And then, sa baba, total of how many rooms we need to set the structure?
We have 99.
99 na. So, there used to be 88. Nadagdagan ng 11 na signature. Okay, what I did kasi was I checked their website and you should do this also. If you click down, there's one part there na yun yung rack rates. But if you click down and you automatically join in I prefer, you'll get the better rates. So that's an insider tip for all of you. Kasi yung that I prefer is parang social care that you're part of it. Kasi yung mga social na hotels, worldwide. And then you get really better rates and better service. Kasi di ba, kinda alam nyo na at this point, may obsession ako sa points. So nung nakita ko yun, sabi ko, okay, let's do this. Ang ganda. And then this comes talaga, pagdating mo dito, what's that?
This one, we have a sunblock. It's a UV Armada
And
brand.
then?
And then there's a Novate oil. This is
A what?
after sunburn.
Parang may aloe vera?
Yes.
Or,
But it's more of a virgin coconut oil.
Okay. Tapos,
And then there's a Parao bag.
tapos doon, di ba, forever yung ritual yan, yung
Foot wash.
foot wash.
Yes.
Ito yung Nespresso all you want.
Yes.
And then, di ba dito sa Signature Sweets, every day nire-replenish
Then
yung
the
ano.
mini bars. Yes, the mini bar.
Okay. Oh, happiness bill. Cookies, the coffee, the tea, pati the drinks. Open it, honey, and show.
Sweet.
Stored every day.
Okay. And then, even the cookies.
Cookies, yes.
Please try the cookie.
banana cheese and nuts here.
Good, good.
Butter. Yeah. And there's water.
it's
and then
yummy.
there's espresso. And then the tea. I'll explain to everybody lang. Actually, the mother had a shoot. So, but Kuya requested na mag-extend. So, nakiusap dun sa shoot. Dapat the shoot was September 2, something like that. Basta nakiusap ako na wait lang ng konti kasi chance na to ng dalawa and they really enjoyed and then parang na-convince ako na I had to try this. So since the two really wanted, kaya it's just us na lang now and then today lang yung day na medyo hindi na umuulan. So that's why. What are you guys gonna do in the next few days?
Not sure.
Yung kuya, ano gusto mong gawin? No na? Relax na lang tayo. No na. Oh. Nakita na yung itsura. So, nawi-weird na ng mga tao sa amin. Sasabihin na, well, siguro nga naman na-agree kayo sa amin, di ba? Kung ganito itsura. No na. Chill na lang dito with that view. Ang ganda ng view. We're staying, we extended, right? Can we get a kiss? Thank you, love you. Joshua also, yeah, of course. So you'll get to watch more of our Boracay adventure, kung ano pang mga gagawin nila. Dahil obviously, hindi naman yung nanay ang maaasahan yung may mga activities na gagawin. Dahil yung nanay, enjoy lang yung haba. I-rate ko yung bed nila. Kasi when we came from Ohana, I spent siguro 70% of the time in bed. And I enjoyed myself. So tingnan natin how long I will spend in bed now. Kasi what's my favorite activity?
Sleeping.
Yeah, true. Sleeping and resting and reading in bed. So now
And hugging me.
and yes, hugging you and hugging Kuya and being sick by both of you. Are you on Wi-Fi yet or not yet?
Not.
Oh, yun ang test natin. Kasi for me, perfect ang resort. Kung, one, maganda view.
Which one?
Then fresh air. Second, ito na, tinatanong na ni Bim, kung malakas ang Wi-Fi, kung may CNN International, then important yon sa akin, and kung masarap ang kama, and then happiness na, oh, Bim is going to test. I'm so amazed na meron ganito kaganda na na-create sila because parang you were like not even born when I started going to Discovery Shores, but they continue to evolve. And I think yan talagang importante. If you want to stay on top of your game, you constantly have to offer those who are loyal patrons something new each time. And I think diba, that's what they're managing to do. There's a new restaurant here, diba? It's Italian. May pizza, I guess. Oh, you're happy now. There's pizza, there's pasta. So you're testing?
Yeah. Won't connect.
I won't connect, lagot!
No password.
Baka mali na pagka-type. Oh, you'll do it tayo. Ala. Pero ito siya, kaya nga siya tinawag na Signature Sweets. So, para ma-experience natin to. I love the way it's decorated. I wouldn't mind if we lived in a condo na like this, but with a kitchen, of course. And we'll be happy na. So, it will always be together. What? Yeah. Thank you. Kasi kanina malamig kaya sabi ko, I don't like malamig. Hala! You're not passing the Wi-Fi test. What we're gonna be doing in the next few days dito naman, we came from Station 3, we're now in Station 1, so we'll show you the rest. And abangan ninyo because ang kakain naman talaga at mag-a-adventure.
The two boys.
The two boys. So, anyway naman, nag-enjoy kayo na silang pinapanood ninyo. Off na lang natin the blinds. Let's leave this open kasi ina-enjoy ko naman yung photo. Ay, umulan na? Ay, nag-rain na. Here comes the rain again. Okay, that's live. Ay, ang sad. Umulan na ulit. But imagine, they were...
Black up?
Yeah, it can be. And then they just press like that and then they put it up. The Wi-Fi test is not working yet. Good luck.
Stress.
Oh, stress. Oh, We'll check on Kuya kung ano na nangyari and we'll get back to all of you. See you all again later. And I'm going to enjoy my cucumber calamansi, which is really good. And then put a little salt on the rim. Kung ba sinabi na first time ito na hindi umulan, bigla tuloy nung binati ko kasi bigla tuloy, biglang bumagyo-bagyo. Biglang, ang bilis no? In a matter of a few minutes, open mo lang ng coffee bag. Makita mo sa kanila, yung gano'ng kalakas bigla yung wind. So, bird! So, there, wala ko. Ang tapos yung bingkay. Alam niya, tinuloy yung kanya. Hey, Kuya. Ooh. Oh, your steak looks yum. There's ravioli. Then there's a drama of the fish. The fish baked in salt. That's right. Cute. Cute lang. Are you? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Let's wait for them what they're gonna do with the fish.
It's
Matigas.
salt. Yes, salt.
Yeah.
That's salt.
Yeah, they bake the fish with salt on it. So they're gonna
Sayang the salt.
sayang the salt. Ano ba? That's important to drama. Ayan, nape-pressure na nga siya sa pag-aano niya ng salt.
Pinawisan.
Pinawisan na siya. Na-stress na siya sa akin. Na-pressure na siya. Yummy? Really good?
Oh.
Very good daw. Wow. Take a bite of your steak and tell us if it's good. Let us
It's
know.
okay, Mama.
Yeah.
Use it with the sauce.
Good pray. Sarap.
Yes.
I'm gonna try the prawn since you ordered that. Asparagus is lemony and buttery. Masarap. Ito na yung fish. It took 79 years.
First bite?
Yeah.
I'll do some.
Yeah, go. You taste. You like rice?
We'll just call the housekeeping to
Okay.
Thank you.
It is salty, right?
Very fresh. The fish. I think what you have to ask for them is lemon butter. Yung pawisan sa kawawa naman. Thank you very much. Sarap.
Steak is juicy.
Sarap yung fish. But it needs lemon butter.
To
Okay.
make it more creamy.
Happy Kuya, sarap.
Exactly.
This is very good. The asparagus. Super sarap. Asparagus. Let's eat.